Welcome to Insulation 101, everything you need to know about choosing the right solution for your home. In this video, we'll cover the basics of insulation and help you understand how to choose the right type of insulation for your home. Insulation is a material that is used to control the transfer of heat between two spaces. In a home, insulation is typically used to keep warm air inside in the winter and cool air inside in the summer. There are many different types of insulation, including fiberglass, cellulose, foam, and more. Each type of insulation has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the right type for your specific needs. When choosing the right type of insulation for your home, there are a few factors to consider. These include your budget, the climate in your area, and the specific areas of your home where you need to insulate. Installing insulation can be a DIY project, or it may require the help of a professional. It's important to make sure that the insulation is installed correctly to ensure that it is effective at controlling the transfer of heat. Now that you know the basics of insulation and how to choose the right type for your home, you can make an informed decision and ensure that your home is well insulated. Thanks for watching.